What's been the most challenging thing you've had to go through in your journey to this point?
You really want to go down that rabbit hole?
Yeah. Hey, the show's called Real Grit for a reason. So yeah, I want to know.
I think entrepreneurs have an issue with the oh shiny syndrome. A lot of do, but if they can line that up and get it taken care of, man, they can be so successful. And we struggle with that. And we bought a bar and grill when we first got together.
The problem is where we bought it. We bought it in a town with the population of 600 to 1,000.
Yeah, but we should
regular customers there.
Well, yeah, it was regular customers. And I mean, don't get me wrong, it would have been successful. The bar had been open for 45 years. So, I mean, that'll tell you something, know.
But we had some issues and some things that were unforeseen after we bought it. Like he said, we were making money the first few months, and then some things happened outside of our control. And then it was like a light switch. And we were floating it with our real estate company at the time. And then it just got so bad that we shut it down within 8 months of owning it. So
yeah, it got to the end. We were losing about $12,000 to $15,000 a month.
A month, yeah.
Before we finally shut it down. And the reason we had to shut it down was because somebody had opened up a bar right across the street from us and pretty much took all of our business. New and shiny. And they decided to, jump ship. And it got to the point where...
Number one takeaway from that experience was what?
Number one takeaway is stay in your lane.
Mm-hmm.
Do what you're good at, For us, it would just be, like I said, we try to be men of God. We try to live our lives in a way that he would see as righteous. And I don't think owning a bar is part of that.
Yeah, we lied to ourselves a lot about it when we first went to buy it, all the good that we could have done with the profits, and never happened. And I think it was just a knock back down to earth,
Positive experience at the end of the day?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm glad that we suffered that loss, which we're still suffering that loss. We're losing $5,000 a month on this place still, just with it just sitting there empty. Our goal this year, the first quarter, is to get a new roof put on it and either get it leased out or sell it.
Yeah, move it along.